Welcome. Welcome back to my English practice channel. My name is Ellie, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. If you are here for the first time, I want to invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I upload videos to practice English every day. My goal is to help you understand English better and speak with more confidence, little by little. Today, I want to share my story with you. I want to tell you how I started learning English here in the United States. I also want to tell you something important. If I could learn English, you can learn English too. So, let's start. I came to the United States when I was 3 years old. I was very small. I didn't understand what was happening. I just knew that everything around me was new. New people, new places, and a new language. At that time, I only spoke Spanish. Spanish was my comfort. Spanish was my home. And suddenly, I was in a place where people spoke English all day. I remember hearing English everywhere. At the store, at the school, on TV, even at the park. And in the beginning, it sounded like fast noises. It felt like I was listening, but I couldn't catch anything. When I started school, that's when I really felt the change. I still remember walking into the classroom. I remember the lights, the chairs, the teacher smiling, and the kids talking to each other. But I didn't understand what they were saying. I remember feeling quiet. I remember feeling nervous. And I remember feeling like I didn't belong because I didn't have the words. Sometimes people think that being a child makes learning easy. And yes, children can learn fast, but it's still hard emotionally because when you don't understand the language, you can feel alone. Even in a room full of people, there were moments when I wanted to speak, but I didn't know how. There were moments when I wanted to ask for help, but I didn't have the words. And there were moments when I went home and felt tired, not because of schoolwork, but because my brain was trying so hard to understand. One of the first obstacles for me was fear. I was afraid to make mistakes. I was afraid people would laugh, and I was afraid to sound different. That fear made me quiet. But little by little, I started learning something important. You don't learn English by being silent. You learn English by trying. I started with the small words, simple words, words I heard every day. Hi, bye, thank you, sorry, can I need. At first, I didn't speak a lot, but I listened a lot. Let me tell you something. Listening is powerful. Listening is where your English starts. Even if you don't understand everything, your ears are learning the rhythm. Your brain is learning the sounds. Your mind is building a connection. So, I listened to my teacher. I listened to the other kids. I listened to cartoons. I listened to simple songs. And I watched how people used their faces, their hands, their tone. That helped me understand even before I knew all the words. Another obstacle was pronunciation. Some sounds in English are not in Spanish, and at first my mouth didn't want to move that way. It felt strange. It felt uncomfortable, but I kept practicing. I repeated words quietly. I repeated them in the mirror sometimes. I repeated them in my room. And slowly, my pronunciation got better. Another obstacle was confidence. When you are learning, you can feel like you will never speak naturally. You can feel like everyone speaks fast and you speak slow. You can feel behind, but confidence grows when you practice. Confidence grows when you keep showing up. Confidence grows when you stop saying, I can't, and you start saying, I'm learning. And that is one of the biggest tips I want to give you today. Tip number 1, be patient with yourself. English is not learned in 1 week or 1 month. It takes time. That is okay. Every day you practice, you are building something. Tip number 2, listen every day, not for 4 hours, just every day. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Something small. Listen to English while you cook, while you drive, while you clean, while you walk. Your ears need daily training. The more you listen, the more you understand. Tip number 3. Learning phrases, not just single words. This changed everything for me. Instead of only learning the word help, learn the phrase. Can you help me? Can you help me? Instead of only learning. Again, learn. Can you say that again? Can you say that again? Instead of only learning. Slow. Learn. Can you speak slower, please? Can you speak slower, please? Phrases are real life. Phrases make you speak naturally. Tip number 4. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of the process. Mistakes mean you are using English, and using English is how you learn. Every day, people who speak English fluently still make mistakes sometimes. So don't let mistakes stop you. Tip number 5. Speak a little every day. Even if you are alone, speak to yourself. Describe your day. Say what you are doing. Say, I'm making coffee. Say, I'm going to work. Say, I'm tired. Say, I need to buy groceries. This builds your speaking muscles. Now, another thing that helped me a lot was having people around me who spoke English. At school, I had to listen. I had to try. And at first, it was uncomfortable. But later, it became normal. So if you can, try to put your English in your environment. Change your phone to English. Watch a simple show in English. Follow English videos every single day. Listen to slow English like this. And please, remember, you don't need to understand every word. You need to understand the message. When I was a child, I didn't understand every word, but I understood the feeling. I understood the context. And slowly, the words became clear. One day, I remember I said a full sentence without thinking too much. It felt natural. And when that happened, I realized it is possible. It takes time, but it is possible. And that's why I'm here today, because I want you to know that you can do it too. Maybe you feel nervous. Maybe you feel stuck. Maybe you feel like your pronunciation is not good. Maybe you feel embarrassed. But listen, every strong English speaker started somewhere, and you are starting, or you are continuing. That is powerful. So today, I want you to take this message with you. You can learn English. You can improve your listening. You can speak with more confidence. And if you keep practicing, your future English will be much better than your English today. Thank you for listening to my story. If you are still here, I'm proud of you. And don't forget, if you are here for the first time, subscribe so you don't miss my daily videos to practice English. Leave a like and write a comment. Tell me, how long have you been learning English? My name is Ellie, and I'll see you in the next practice video. Bye!